Okie dokie. Let's do this. Oh, I don't got my glasses on. I need my glasses. I see it did kind of stay a little bit range bound, but we have started to drop down, so that's quite cool. That's cool, that's cool. Let's mark out our highs and lows. Get this New York session started. I would say get this party started, but that sounds bad. So New York high technically is still here. Let's get some confirmation with regards to this. Let's see. I mean, New York. Let's do this then. London high. Okay. Hey Juan, what's up? Hey microwave, what's up? How have the trades been? Winning? Happy? Sad? I think happy. Where did you stop? No, maybe not. I'm assuming you got taken out with your trading stop, right? Okay, London low has indeed EO been taken. Okay, so we're cool, we're cool. This is now then done. Up we go. I mean, that wasn't a lot to have to mark out, but I still have a bit of a bearish bias. It didn't quite go as high up as I wanted to see it go, though. So let's see what New York brings. Do we think we're gonna take out... Was this yesterday's? Yeah. Yesterday's low. I'm already in a trade from the top of the move. Oh, damn! Pawn. Okay, okay. Where'd you go? So you've been sitting in this. Where's your TP at? Official ETA made a great profit. Hey, I love to learn. I love it. I love it. Nice. Microwave, how you doing? Horses, I mean, yeah. But I had to go and touch some grass and carry on. That's the way. Go touch some grass, get ready for the remainder of the session. 24700 is in play. Oh, damn. Okay. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Do you think that's going to tap today or within the week? Hey, hi live. How you doing? How you doing? Just for you.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hi-oh. OTT, how are you? A runner got stopped out on ES earlier, but still got 14 points on the run. Oh, I mean, that's still really good. What the heck, man? No, 14 points on a runner is awesome. OTT, how you did? My other girl was like, thanks, that's so sweet of you. I told you it was poetic. Did you just send it to the one girl? Or did you send it to like a bunch? You player. Sorry, I didn't even wait for the answer. I just thought I would say that. Okay, so Juan, you think within the week it's gonna hit... I'm gonna make a Juan level. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make a Juan level because... So you say 24,700. 24,700. Okay, let's make a Juan level. 24,700. Around, there we go. Okay. I made a level. Let's see if it reaches there. Like I said, I am genuinely curious. Let's see if we go all the way that far down. I mean, that would be freaking awesome. But let's see. One girl, no. Okay, just checking. I'm just checking. So she did indeed think it was poetic. I love it. I love it. So, like, did it get you a date? And you need to look at the daily and weekly time frame. I have been looking at the daily. Only play with my son brushes. And you know what? I don't even judge you for that. I don't judge you. Microwave, I saw. I saw that you joined. I did indeed see that you joined. I'm happy. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Now we can cause chaos on the Discord. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. We don't cause chaos. It It's no, sorry. Is it Gembira or Gembira or Jambira? Sorry, there's a lot of ways to say that. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's that? How's it going? Maybe a little bit of chaos. Yeah, and you know what? A little bit of chaos is fun. A little bit of chaos keeps us on our toes, keeps us busy, keeps us ready for the next move. Speaking of the next move, okay, we got 10 minutes to go. Sorry, normally there's more stuff to like mark out in preparation, but it's kind of been ranging, so not much to mark out, so that's okay. We have the new daily opening gap here, and we still also have, where's that midnight? There. Yeah, midnight at this level. So this is still quite a key level. I actually think this went close to the midnight range. Oh, it did. Ooh. No, I lied. Sorry, I got excited because I was looking there. Okay, so the midnight's a little bit higher up. That's what that bounced off of. Interesting. Okay, cool. Fun. I did, yeah. I'm up here. I had a win. Took this beautiful trade. Took my full well, I took my runner out at the Asia low. It was awesome. So yeah, that was a really, really nice trade. Then I did expect a little bit, I actually expected it to retest a little bit higher up. Looking at the 4-hour chart, I expected it to retest a little bit higher. Didn't, so that's fine. And now, like I said, my bias is still bearish. Yeah, my bias is still very much bearish after tapped into that inverse fair value gap on the, I'm mostly mentioning the 4-hour, but I think the 1 hour and 5 minute, actually I think all the minutes had that really nice inverse fair value gap. Yes, check out London high, well NQ did a nice little 15-minute SMT. Ooh. Ooh. Do you think it might then come back up there? OTT and then a short? The NQ took out London low was yes and okay, so so do I like to trade ES or do I not really care? Oh, so microwave, I keep it up because these two kind of drive each other. In theory, ES drives NQ. But what was it? Someone had such a nice little metaphor for it the other day. They said that ES is like the big older brother that sometimes grabs onto NQ's hand and takes it with. So it's just that they're very similar, so you can almost determine where it's going. Obviously, it's not an exact science, right? But it gives you quite a nice idea, seeming as they're quite, I don't want to say parallel with each other, because that's definitely not right. They drive each other, right? They drive each other crazy. Sorry, I'll stop. I don't even trade the lower time frames anymore. I just watched it for entertainment. What's up, Franks? ES took out Asia low. That's the trade I took. Ooh! Wait, did it? Oh, it did? No. Isn't this Asia low at 931? Or was the Asia low at the 933? They're correlated. Thank you, Juan. I'm also bearish for the first time in a while. Daily and 4 hours screaming bearish. Thank you. Thank you. I do agree. Which again is weird. When we agree, weird things tend to happen. So let's not get too excited. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. But we have got this. Okay, wait. Let's let me. Is there news today? Before I get too excited, is there anything happening at 10 or not really? Are we still good? Still good to go. Ooh, now it's going back into the 50% level. So I did check this earlier. That wouldn't have hit 50%. Here it's going into the 50%. Let's see how it reacts here. We still have 6 minutes to go. So who else is in agreement for bearish for New York? Do we think it's going to be continuation bearish for the New York session? I might want to get out there. It's 10 a.m. news. Why does it feel like there's always news in here? this point I might as well just start trading at 10, just wait for all the shenanigans to go on. I'm kidding, I won't do that. I have too much fun. Damn, that was... OTT, try that one next. OTT, I think you have to try that one. Like, I think that's the next one. I think that's the next one. That was good. That was really, really good. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Please, and tell me what she said. She's just gonna be there being like, where did you get all of these freaking weird pickup lines from? Who knew? If these really work, I think I need a, you know how I have, I'm gonna do it. You know how I have Bob quotes? I think I'm gonna start a notebook on the unhinged pickup lines. Okay, I'm gonna start a new one. Okay, unhinged pickup lines, let's do this. That made number 1. Since your license gets suspended for driving me crazy thinking about you, beautiful. Okay. I'm doing it. This is a thing. We're gonna do this. Got Asia low at 6939. Okay. I would think Asia low is around the 931-ish level, but maybe not. So I don't, you know, ES is a bit different, so ignore me. And that was a crossover from us to Asia session. Haven't even spoken to her in months and weird pickup lines. Well, you know what? She will only respect you more. Or she'll judge you more, but either way, you're having fun, right? I think that's the important thing. Are you having fun? Are you not entertained? Oh, good grief. What a way to start this. I'm definitely keeping the unhinged. Shoot, I need to remember that cake one. That cake one was funny. You know how they always say we only use 10% of our brains? I think we only use 10% of our hearts. That was so sad. What the heck, man? Why'd you say that? Why did you say that? When was the last time you rode your horse? Today? I went on an outride today. Yeah, a little outride. Well, not specifically with mine. Mine is not getting any work done until he cools the heck down. But I did go for an outride. Damn, that was a hectic doji over there. What even was that? Buyers want to come into play, but clearly the sellers were like, nope, try again. Holy moly. Oh, literally did a proper tap into my shelf. I know a lot of people don't like my shelf, but tapped into my shelf. Solid freaking rejection, but obviously the buyers are still winning for now. I'm just, like I said it during the London session, so let me just reiterate. I'm really trying to pay a lot of attention to the wicks today and see if I can just get that little bit extra with regards to price action and identifying or seeing if I could almost predict a few candles before, like start to predict the different movement. That's what I'm truly focusing on today, really trying to zone in on the price action, like how this barely has any wick, so clearly the buyers are going for it, but this massive rejection off of that shelf, if we started to see a bit more selling action here, I would be like, okay, sellers are back in the game, but again, no wick here. Sorry, correct me if I'm talking absolute rubbish. It's what I'm looking at. I'm just speaking through what I'm seeing right now. Obviously, I'm still learning, so I could be making a big befuddlement of it. Yes, I just said befuddlement, but we're going with it. Hey, yo, Jordy! How are you? Are you a toaster? Because I want to take a bath with you. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Hello, 9:30. Interesting. What did I say here about the sellers wanting to start taking over? But that being said, I then did say that these were both pretty flat with the wicks, but the fact that there were wicks to the upside. Okay, see. Like I said, I'm really focusing on the price action day. Wow. So, I mean, that would have been a winning trade. I wouldn't have taken this, especially because of, you know, New York Open, but, you know, out of curiosity. Oh, here we go. I'm lost. I'm lost. Can you tell me which roads lead to your heart? I'm on the highway to hell. Don't ask me why that was the first song that popped into my head. Let's just continue. Okay, 9:30 range. Damn, what a drop. Okay, 9:30 range. Let's see what else we get. Whoa! Okay, bob level, awesome. No slaps were involved, my boy. Okay, go. Got that pink Bugatti. Oh, look, like the green. Projection, did you just get liquidated? Jason? No, I'm not in a trade, don't worry. Volume is insane. A little bit chill, dude. A little bit. Only thing is with price action, when you get a lot of noise, I find better to look at the 10-minute for price action. I was looking at the 5-minute, but with the... Does the 10-minute really help then with regards to... Let me, obviously, let's forward test this a little bit today. And obviously then back test it, but... Oh, here's first presented. Holy guacamole. What the hey diddly day, man? This is running away. Cheers, adios amigo. Whoa. Okay, this is solidly running away. Can you imagine I did have that trade and I left a run out? Wow. I'd be sitting pretty right now. What was I saying? Oh, the price action. Yes, I need to forward test it and see if it helps. Would the 10-minute really help with scalping though if you want to be like in and out within... Okay, obviously it doesn't always happen that way. I was in this trade for a while, but ideally you want to be in and out without like 3 or 4 minutes. This better not be a repeat of yesterday. OTT? It might be. It may just be. Let's see how it reacts here. Back into the 9:30 range. VWAP's all the way back up there. Just gonna be hands off for a MU until volatility calms all the way down. Anything below the 4-hour daily weekly is just mostly noise. I'm glad I got life insurance because when I saw you, my heart stopped. Oh, good. Good grief. Good grief. 5 minutes, you'll probably be okay. There we go. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking maybe the 5 minute instead of the 10. Like, these are just getting worse. I know it's the same dude saying these, but oh my word. We do need Milo to come with some more poetry. More poetry is needed. That was a huge wick. Massive doji, but then doji followed by a doji means that there's some Game of Thrones stuff happening right now. Yep. Curiosity? Right? Curiosity is getting the best of me. Nope, wouldn't have even reached the 50%. Cool. Doji. Proper respect off of that first presented. Why did I draw this first presented like a chop? There we go. That's the first presented. Rejection off. Okay. Yeah, buyers are wanting to take control. Clearly rejection off, but struggling to break above. Sorry, I'm speaking out loud. Tell me if I'm annoying you guys. Then I'll shut up. Kidding. I'll never shut up. Yeah, apology for the win. Hey, Joy of Travel, how you doing? We should sacrifice you to the market in return for glory and riches because you, my friend, are dead. Oh my gosh. Sorry, sorry, that's in response to Geordie's comment. Bruh, yeah. Ah, you're annoying the crap out of me. Hey yo, what's up, it's my thing. It's what I do. I feel like that has to go into the Bob quotes. Joy of travel, I can't complain. I can't complain. Wow, Geordie's slapback was rough. That was rough. That was, I mean, awesome to witness, but sure. Sure. Okay. Okay, there's the 5-minute chart. Holy moly. 5-minute chart. Ta-da! 5-minute. I am also going to be taking note of the 15-minute. If you know, you know. I know you know. Okay, let's see. So, in the 5-minute range, breaking above, let's see if it breaks above the 9:30 a.m. range, but wanted to reject off of the first presented, but clearly the buyers took over. Bob, I am taking such good notes. No, that's not what I mean. I'm really trying to focus on the price action today. There we go. That was English, nailed it. I'm long on the way home. Oh, and yay, sad, happy, sad, happy. Let me know. Your break-even broke the number of fair value gap zones, covers everything. I think I just missed my trade. Too volatile for me at the moment. Yeah. I might wait until we break out of this 5-minute range, get some more confirmation before hopping. Okay, no, let's wait for more confirmation before hopping into anything. Let's not do something dumb. Let's not give back the profits from this morning. Oh, for anyone that didn't know, I did indeed. Oh, that's what I have to do. Sorry, I actually forgot to post this morning. So let me quickly post this so that I keep record of everything. A little bit less so I can see the full trade. Sorry, so I did have a win this morning, so that was nice. Nice way to get the Wednesday going. There we go. Okay, done. Okay, so it's still in the range. Got my 5-minute, got my 9:30 range, got my first presented. Let's see how it reacts off of the first presented here. But clearly struggling to break above the 9:30 a.m. range. Sorry, I'm talking through the process right now. Sorry, guys. Jordy, how you entered in this? Wait, Jordy, did you like trade or are you paper trading? We're going through a partial government shutdown and we got this type of volatility. No such thing as too much volatility in trading. Volume equals dollars. Hey, Gapper X, what's up? Super chop right now out the gate. Well, I mean, to be fair, this drop out the gate was insane. I mean, how big is this 5-minute range? 154.5 minute range. So what I was low-key looking at, but I wasn't gonna do it, was this. Up to VWAP. Had first presented order block. Okay, actually, I guess that's a B setup. Never mind. Okay, I could maybe argue the Bob level, but yeah. Yeah, no, I would be pushing it. I would be trying to find something, which is not ideal. Yeah, I just like the first presented, and there was, I know the 1-minute inverse fair value gap doesn't really count, but there was a decent-ish inverse fair value gap that did form there as well, that I wanted to see a bit of a rejection off of. Let's see if this goes back up to VWAP and then continuation back down. Like I said, my bias was bearish, so watch it do the opposite.
Hey Tyler, what's up?
What's 150 points on NQ? Good question. Jordy, OTT? What is 150 points on NQ? What would it be? 58 bars, 60 bars. Yes, no, maybe? So I'm just looking at everything on the measuring tool. There we go. So there's the points. 151. 11 bars. So I don't actually know. I know the points. I ran away earlier on the bank to deposit some cash, but my account earlier today. Not a good thing. Oh, Tyler, what happened? I have to see VP working out for you. Yeah, I'd love to see it. Hey, Waddy Franklin, what's up? How you doing? 150 points is 150 points. I mean, I was expecting a little bit more from that, but I mean, sure. We don't use pips here. My bad. What do you mean? 4 ticks and a point? Don't use the bars. Oh, okay. There we go. Sorry. Like, how much is NQ worth a point or a tick? Guys, answer. Would it not depend? Oh, like, if you have one contract? Oh, there we go. $20 a point. It's not bad, but only when it lines up. Normal NQ is $20, MNQ is $2. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Microwave, Microwave, did that answer your question? If you guys have not seen that video, go see it. It's funny. Micros are 1/10, yes. Okay, so one point is $2. That's 3,002 minutes in. Yeah, well, on the NQ. This is stuck. This is literally stuck betwixt the bob level and the first presented right now. Wow. Literally stuck. Okay. Get confirmation. Contract specs can be found on CME. Thank you, Gappa. $2 on MQ, $20 on NQ minis. On NQ minis or NQ? To VWAP? Potentially. Back up into the new daily opening gap and... Nope, still struggling to break above. This is not a great start. Okay. I mean, came out the gate with a bang and then... That was it. Bang and died. Anyway, that was dark. I'm so sorry. Moving on. Hear me out. I'm listening, OTT. It's meeting my trade criteria, so I'm so skeptical about this. Yeah, Michael, are you not maybe gonna wait until after news at 10? Maybe that's not a bad idea. Can also be found by clicking the ticker button and selection securities info. Huh, there we go. See, you learn something new every single day. I'm all for it. I love it. Love learning new things. Oh, guys, I don't want to go out tonight. I don't want to be social. Sorry, I know that was a very random complaint, but... Having to people. Anyways. Maya, do not trade minis. No, don't worry. Staying with micros. I stay put. I stay. I sits and I stay. I fits, I sits. Clearly I fit, yeah, so it's okay. Yeah, 10 a.m. is going to be the move. You don't like being social. No, I'm not a very... I literally have a tattoo that I called the antisocial butterfly. Believe it or not, I'm not a very social person. I really like talking to you guys because you guys are awesome and we have a lot in common. But being social with people here is... It's really difficult. Like I said, I am actually an introvert. Unless we have things in common, then I can talk your ear off, as you can clearly hear. But if I have absolutely nothing in common with someone, I will literally sit there in very awkward silence or try small talk, which makes me so tired. I hate small talk with a passion. It's so much effort. Ooh, created a volume imbalance here. Clearly struggling to break above the 930. Still respecting the first presented though. It's stuck on VWAP on ES. Oh, we're gonna range horde here. Damn. There are jacuzzis for your troubles. What? 20 mini just can open 100 points, 40k, that's... Okay, now put all that money together. That's Pink Bugatti. And we share. Call me a genius. OTT, let's do it. Let's do it. Pink Bugatti, how do we do it? You have it for a month, I have it for a month. Just Pink Bugatti it up. I'm so keen. You know, then once a month we just, you know, I'll drive up there and then you can drive down to Coast. Sounds like a plan. I would so happily get a Pink Bugatti. So happily. I think it'll be so much fun. It's hard to think of a pickup line because you're the only thing on my mind. I feel like these are getting worse. Samir, are you like Googling these? Are you Googling these? I think you need to find some more original content. No offense. Well done, I guess. But it's yeah. Like, be a little bit more original. Come on, we need some poetry up in here with regards to pickup lines. We need poetry like yesterday. Nothing wrong with trading micros or learning. Minimizes your risk. Exactly. So that's where I'm at. I'm still at the keep risk minimal so I don't blow through capital, right? 6 out of 8 equals winners. So what, Jordy? The girl says, Ashley, what are you trying to do? I love it. Nothing wrong with going out for a drink. I don't even know if I'm gonna have a drink though, you know. Just remember research analysis. Okay, risk management. What news is at 10? I haven't seen any. OTT, what news is at 10? A month is too long. I don't trust Jordy. Disappear. What do I say to that? Well, are you trying something? Just asking for a friend? Where's the poetic guy? And later down the road, you can use options to manage your risk. Oh, there we go. Depends on your actual intentions. Jordy, me and you, brainwave, I love it. Same brainwave going on over here. It's PMI. Thank you. Microwave, microwave. Did that answer your question? I don't even go out to bars anymore. I'd like to go to lounges. If I do go out, I want to go have a nice table bottle. See, that sounds fancy. I can't afford fancy stuff.
That's what she said.
Sorry. These are too much fun. That's a good question. Yes, it is. This might come as a surprise, but females love honesty. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it works like a charm. It really does. Hey, Brew, what's up? I'm not saying what's up like bro. Like, actually, your name is Brew. So what's up, Brew? How you doing? How's it? Kind Just thought I would get some of the Afrikaans out so people know I'm... And the how's it, so people know I'm from South Africa. Is everyone doing amazing? Do we think... No, I think that's pushing it. I was going to say, do you think we can get to... Definitely not during New York. I was going to say, do you think we could get to... Why are we doing sad music? Get to 13k during this live, but I don't think so. I think that's pushing it. I think that's pushing it quite a bit. We're not going to get over 50 subscribers. I don't know my intentions. Am I supposed to know? I'm just a child. There, young one. There, young Padawan. I don't know. Do you like the girl? Maybe let's start with that. What am I trading today? Hey, bro, I'm trading the Nasdaq. Well, I'm sitting watching the Nasdaq futures go sideways. How about you, bro? What do you trade? You guys got in common. I mean, something made you text the girl. What's the something? Oh, OTT's coming with the real questions, right? You said you specifically messaged her and only her, which means there's clearly something. Okay, sorry. Hey Sonu, what's up? How you doing? Silver? Sorry. Sorry, I have like a shocked expression because I've heard Silver's been a little bit insane and very volatile at the moment. Is it not difficult to trade Silver? Long on gold? Oh dang, I'm wrecked already, not even 9:45. Oh, Ninja, what happened? Ninja, what happened? Did you try get a buy? What happened? What happened? What happened? No, that open was insane. Like, all of this volatility just for it to be like, and we're done. Here we go. Like I said, I'm not even... Actually, there's almost no point looking until after 10, until after PMI. We haven't really texted like that, I messaged because I couldn't see and wanted to check if it was blocked. I mean, Sonu, how many boyfriends do I have? None? Yeah, no boyfriends. Silver markets can be wide in... Okay, there we go. Exactly. Oh no. Hey, Luck. Is it Luck Gaming? Or Luke Gaming? Am I trading in SAB? No. Are you asking? So I'm trading Nasdaq futures. I am from South Africa, if that's what you're asking as well. And yeah, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures using proper. Difficult when it's manipulated. Macro says continuation, so dips are for longing. Kwon, you're still holding this? Nice. Wait, macro say continuation to the upside, I'm assuming, right, Brew? I'm assuming you're meaning continuation to the upside. OTT, you weren't here for the end of the London stream, were you? No, okay. Sure, we got quite in-depth with... We started really talking about investing. Because I don't know that much about investing. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not gonna come at you saying, oh, no. I haven't even done research on it. I've heard some things. So I asked them some more like genuine questions about investing. Good grief. I'm a day trader and investing sound... Did I just say vesting? Investing sounds intimidating. Just personally, investing sounds quite intimidating. Not as intimidating as swing trading for me, don't get me wrong, but still... Yeah. I know it's probably a good thing and I should definitely, especially after the conversation we had earlier today, I will definitely have a deeper look into it. I am keen. Especially I know everyone says like when you're young, do it, go for it. Because then when you're older, you're gonna thank yourself. Like don't wait too long. But you really do have to be specific on where you invest into or else you could make a huge mistake. Caught the shorts off the open, was up 103 points, then TV froze and stopped printing candles. Made me freak out and eventually told... Oh! Ninja, no! What happened? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm not blocked. I feel like I'm ready for the next step. Jordy, that is hilarious. Overshot my max loss per day rule and yeah, I'm done so for today. Oh my gosh, Ninja. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry. Tilts happen, right? Tilts happen. As long as you just take a step back and try again tomorrow. That's what I tell myself. Just walk away, try again tomorrow. Are you from the USA? What? Nduweyesu? I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I have a few books for you to read if you want to learn how to invest. Yes, please. Yes, please. Like I said, I'm genuinely very curious. Teach how to trade. Are you demanding? Just asking. Anyways. Let me say that. Please do it. You're gonna have to keep us informed now. I'm invested in this conversation, OTT, no offense, but I'm super invested in this. And still in the range. This is both the 5-minute and the 15-minute range at this point. Not breaking above anything. Struggle to break below the first presented. Ooh. Still got a wick there, still got a wick there. Absolutely nothing here. Wow, does this suck? Okay, 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. Okay, but honestly, if after the news, no, let's see what the news brings. Let me not jump the gun. Let's not jump the gun. Drew, what are we laughing at now? Apart from a lot, but what are we laughing at now? I mean, oh, yeah, I made such a bad joke today. It was very funny, but it was really bad. But it was really funny. I was really proud of myself. I don't often have like quick, witty comebacks to things. But sure, it was too funny not to say. Sure, I hope he comes back tomorrow. Investing is much easier than day trading. You just apply your same chart analysis on a macro chart. Okay, but again, like I said, I don't even know. I don't know the first thing, like even where to begin. Like I know all about prop firms and going through a broker, and I'm assuming it's similar. Maybe not a proper. See, I'm completely clueless when it comes to the whole investing portion of trading. Like I said, obviously I'm gonna do my research on it. I'm not just gonna hop into anything. I'm just completely clueless. I know, well, I'm not gonna say I know everything about day trading. Let's not even touch that. I definitely don't know everything about day trading. Still learning things every single day. This is starting to look good for a short. Here we go. Oh, just struggle to break below, but this is potential. Let's see. That would have been a break-even trade. This here looks like it would have been a... I mean, I wouldn't have touched this with a 10-foot pole, but still. Let's see if we're able to break below. Ninja. Wow, what a 15-minute range, honestly.
Hey, Bob, what's up?
Hey, Mudcrab! Why are you awake? How are you doing? Back home. Is she a 10? No. I'm fortunate enough to catch myself tilting, but need to go nurse my -8R wound now. Oh my gosh, Ninja, I'm so sorry. What is it? A cold bath. Cold bath. Ninja, you on the Discord, hey? I can't remember. Sorry, there's a lot of people on the Discord. If you're on the Discord, seriously, go to the accountability. That's what I have. I really do. When I have days like Monday where I wanted to tilt, I wrote in there. It actually made me feel a little bit better. The strategy I use is highly used for stock investment. Interesting. Not me though, you failed. You need to get into the trenches on Solana. See, again, we're having discussions about that as well. This... What time is it? Sugar honey iced tea. But this is starting to look promising. Let's see. Sure, we haven't been down this far yet. See, I don't even have further bob levels. I feel a little bit lost without my bob level. Anyways, I'll have to sort those out as we go. Need it more on the 2-minute. Sorry, I'm... Like I said, kind of forward testing, getting confirmations from something. One that offers futures, equities, bonds, and options. I'm way out of my league. If I think Bugatti was a person, she would be a damn OTT. Now I kind of want to know what she looks like as well. Do you have a picture? I'll teach you some investing if you like, and it's quite different from day trading. It's meant for long term, obviously. Obviously, it's going to be much different. Thanks, Mudcrab. I would really, yeah, I'd really appreciate it. I've been dealing with. I finally just got the last one down. Oh my gosh, have you been awake this whole time? Do you not have like work tomorrow? You know the drill. Step back, come back when the dust settles. Beer o'clock. I'm spent. I can imagine. That's no joke. Oh my gosh, why are all the Australians awake? Are you guys okay? What's happening?
Are you guys all awake?
Anime, thank you. Okay. Ready. Down to noon. Nope. That's not correct at all. Wait a second. $20. Okay. Yeah, done. Sorry, I was mathing in my head quickly. Oh, this is just going bye-bye. How big is this? Would I even be able to enter this? Probably not. Okay. Hang on. Carrying on. Sam, I need to add more levels. Yep, 100%. But you can capture compounding. How much was this candle hit? But would have been my TPs. I love this game, Ninja! Love is a very big word right now. When I pay for the subscription, I save the mythology or PDF and then sub. Send it to you on the Discord at some point if you want. Ooh. Yes, please! Thanks, Microwave. Delete her number, you guys. They do not. Well, that's just not fair now, is it? What the heck, man? Babysitting is rough. Especially when the baby's your wife, shame. You have to do it. Another B2B confirmation missed. I have questions about that one. Okay, I have questions about that one. About work in 3 hours, it's 2 a.m. Why are you guys awake? Guess I'm on Discord, but thank you. I'm good. Lesson for today. Be the best loser. Gotta be up in 3.5 hours. I was headed to bed, so I thought I'd pop in and say goodnight. Aww. A little angel cake. I'll take it. That's cute. Thanks, guys. I hope you are. Damn, you guys need to go and sleep. What is wrong with you guys? Sleep is good. Am I waiting too long or am I short? Waiting too short, actually. Let's go whoop whoop on ear shorts. Hey! OTT, did you get a short? A bit risky. It was before 10 a.m. news, but I had to. Y'all are cray-cray. Okay. Bob level. Waiting for it to re-enter, but then go back down. Oh. Okay. That's very big wick. I'm waiting to see if this is a very big engulfing candle. I need to zoom out a little bit before I get too excited. What do we have? Ugh. Cool. I would have to zoom out on the higher time frames to see if we have anything juicy below this. I don't even know if I'd be able to take anything here. Potentially bob level to bob level if it goes back up that high. Let's see.
That's what she said.
Sure. What did I just do? Okay, let's check the high tide. What? Oh, nice. You're gonna hop on some battlefield. Ooh. I'll sleep after work. I mean, that's valid. Your 9:57 ES candle was the confirmation candle to enter short down to the next level. PA confirms the continuation. Okay, 9:57. Perfect, nice break below. Okay, so level to level there. Oh no, absolutely not. I don't like what it's doing there. That's a very big engulfing candle with absolutely no wicks happening right now. Let's keep watching quickly. Yeah, let's keep watching. I do not like that. I mean, this could go bob level to bob level. I would much rather do a stop sell or even freaking mark it in if I have to, if it goes back up to that level. That's not bad. That's bad. That's not bad. Interesting. Like I said, let me quickly check out the higher time frames. Let's go 5 minute. That's not a good wick. I really am taking notes. Believe me, you can ask everyone. Even during London, I was like, 15-minute quick sticks. Whoa. Okay, tapped into a little bit of an order block here. So a little bit of a rebound there wouldn't be the end of the world. 1 hour. Went below those relative equal lows. Oh, okay, so went below those relative equal lows. Now there's these. What's this at? 024. 25024 is not bad. Okay. Let's check the 4 hour quickly. Yeah, 024 level would be my next point of interest. Or do we think this is now going to turn around and continue back up? If we're looking at, I won't say the word, so I'll get in trouble. But if we're looking at that, like I said, I won't say it. I will not say it. And the daily. Oh, I can't move it without. Oh no. There we go. Shoot! It did it! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. There we go. There we go, down. 24700 down here. Why there? Sorry, just thinking to myself. Let's go. Next target for level is 25000. Yep, time to sleep. Unbugged. Peace of love. Cheers, mud crab. See you tomorrow. That is the previous month's low. I got you. Why mine? Hey, yo, Shawnee, what's up? How you doing? How's it all going? There we go. Re-entry there. 2500. Slow up and fast down is not bad. You think it's reversing. You think it's going back up now? Look at the daily time frame and see what 24700 is. Okay, alright, was gonna ask you the same question. I'm good, shorty. Please, man, grab, go for it. Good grief. Good grief. What is it? What's up? Ooh. Sorry, my whole hip just clicked. I'm gonna wait for the retrace before entry. Hey, microwave. Samesies, that's what I was kind of waiting for. So re-entry here on the 15-minute. Comes back down here. I want to almost put. Let's see. You're Shawnee. Yeah, I had a bad Monday and Tuesday. I had a win this morning, but yeah, I did. I had a bad start to the week. You know, it happens. Bad start to the week. I'm longing it though, not short. I think you backed out of this trade. Well, let's see. This now went into. I know everyone hates it when I say this, but it went into bob level pretty solidly. Confirmation back down. Still pretty biggish wicks. going on at the top? Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. I know I'm apologizing a lot. My bad. Long it, don't short it. Okay, why is that, Mudcrab? What are you seeing? Would be great to get some withdrawals. So I know, Yoshon. I really... yeah. I'm waiting. It's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. Big wick down there. Decent wicks to that level. Didn't quite bounce off of it how I wanted it to. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Oh, I want to sell this so badly. Ayo, go for threat. What's up? If I had to trade, I would long. Really? How long have I been on eval for so far? Yeah, Shawnee. I mean, this one, to be fair, this one I've been on for a while. I have been on this one for a while, which I know is bad. Theoretically, you should try and pass it as quickly as possible, but getting the discipline and getting through the psychological part of it took a little bit longer than should have been. And when I say psychological, I mean like then mitigating risk by half, but then in all honesty screwing myself by doing so. Because I would mitigate the winners by half and the losses were full stop loss. You know, it was a little bit dumb. Everyone's saying bye. I'm still kind of interested in the short. I know that's bad. I know you guys are gonna judge me a little bit for that one. Thanks, Mudcrab. Have a goodie. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, chat to you tomorrow. Mental side is tough. You were warned. OTT, why are you disappointed in yourself? Don't be disappointed in yourself. You've got this. Oh my gosh, my hand slipped. I actually didn't. Oh shoot. Okay, well, it happened. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Oops. Oopsies. Shoot. I was not supposed to press that. My hand slipped. Oh well. It is what it is. Maybe. Sorry. I messed that up completely. Whoops. My hand slipped weird that before. Don't even come here. Oopsies. Okay, well, I guess we're in this regardless of what happens now. Let's see what happens. That's what she so much for your winner. I'm manifesting a Maya win. I appreciate that. That'll be just grand. If it does, let's see. Maybe it's a mistake, and then I have to tell Mudcrab that he was correct again. I'll just take full TP here. I won't leave any runners. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Oh, theoretically, I should give it a little bit of a gap. I say a little bit and I extend it a little bit there. Come on, I like the wicks up at the top. Go back down. No, I don't like that. Come on, sellers. Oopsie daisies. Nothing new that. Stop it. Microwave, I always leave runners, but I only have 2 contracts in this. So it won't count it as a win. In fact, I broke my rules. Oh no. Ever that happens, insta close my accept the honest mistake and don't hover over the buy sell button. Yeah, Ninja. Yep. Yep. Well, let's see, maybe if it goes back down to break even, I must just get out of it. Because it is just bouncing between, which is not ideal. You want to see it. That wick there is not good. Feels like there's a fight right now to see who's gonna take control. And the buyers appear to be winning. Yep, nope, what? Oh, I'm in a barcode right now, that's fun! Yeah, well, at least a learning experience. Need I really do that, but English. Yeah. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Daddy Mudcrab is never wrong. This one's scary ass trade a little bit. Yep. Just a tad bit. Don't cause mistakes is good behavior and a hit stop loss, you're right. It off as a mistake and don't think of it again, so best to close it. Oh, that's interesting. Hope it ain't too many points. Oh. Cheers, Jordy, you okay? Oh, damn, them's fighting words, David. Them's fighting words. Nah, it's a winner, I'm already out. Oh. Hope all is well, yeah. Gosh, I feel like I need to send everyone messages. Is everyone, like, everyone just sounds like they're not doing okay. Oh, well, that's fair. Well, that is the first time I hear that you can see that the buyers are winning. I'm learning. I'm learning. Like I said, specifically today, I've been focusing on price action. Entered a trade 4 times in 5 seconds because I kept forgetting my stop. Oh! No, that's not okay. That is not okay. Yeah, that's probably Nintendo. I'm talking strictly trading. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That big wick there. Little wick here. If this ends with a decent wick, it means the sellers could potentially be starting to play ball. Okay. Sellers could be playing ball. If it closes with a decent wick. Or maybe not. Oh, this is a terrible trade. Peach? I went in and out of it, in and out. It cost me like $15 in commissions. Oh! Joy of Travel. Please tell me how you can see that. So, Joy of Travel, I've been looking, you can still make money on a bad trade, what I did today, but that bad trade will hurt you more down the road. So, with the price action, I really want to start focusing on price action. So specifically, the wicks of the candles. That is specifically what I'm trying to focus all my attention on. The wicks of the candles. The fact that this was a doji. But here we had more wick there than up there. I'm really trying to focus on price action currently at the moment. And trying to identify if I can see in the candles who has control. Obviously, it's never going to be accurate. I don't have like the book map. Yeah, book map? Book? No, what's it called? Bit of a bigger wick there, smaller wick there. This is engulfing. I'm so screwed. This is going very slowly down, which is... bigger there than I want it to be. Yep, they're the buyers. Holy cow, they are the buyers. PA John Wick's so extremely important. You're learning so far. Girl, I'm proud of you. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. I'm really trying. Buyers are committed at 25200. They really, really are. I mean, the sellers are still putting up a big fight. I mean, check out that wick there. The buyers are really putting up a strong fight. But the sellers, sorry. The sellers are putting up a strong fight. But I think, yeah, the buyers are gonna win this. The sellers tried. Thanks, Mudcrab. See you tomorrow. Tables folding my, I think buyers folding that zone. I agree. Plot twist, the sellers are all trying to make Patty Mudcrab look wrong. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. That is funny. Yeah, no, this is going up. The buyers one, also looking at ES, it now broke above VWAP. Cool. Used to run and start. Well, JW basically the first one with bar wicks. High lows on that range, enter no close and target opposite end of the range. What the heck, man? Yeah, no, the buyers are holding this 200 level. Interesting, they really are holding. The sellers want to play, but... First 4 weeks. Our trade looks very similar. Oh, interesting. Are you also in a short? Come on, buyers. Stop it. Okay. The 5-minute wicks work better. I have to go and check out the 5-minute wicks. Oh no, this is gonna take me out. And somehow I'm still in this, but buyers have taken control. And out. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Okay. Mudcrab, you were correct. Damn it. It's okay. It's okay, it happens. Bob, are you still in this then? Hit the 5-minute now. Thank you. Yeah, no, that's true. That is true. Worked my plan, tested it. Was a loss, but it is what it is. Okay, let's see if it now starts to go down. Bobby, you still in this? Nope. Oh, okay, so we both got stopped out of that. That's okay. Let's take a little screenshot. I don't know why I put all that in there. It doesn't necessarily need all of that, but it's okay. Okay. 1, 2. Let's see where this goes. Maybe I just had to retest a little bit further up. Seriously, Mudcrab, do you have like... I don't know. Do you have like this weird... Sixth sense. It's wild. It's absolutely wild. I'm adding to the position. Be nice to yourself. Thank you. You followed your model. Yes, bisexual lighting. What? Uno, I've been using Trader 500 accounts and it logs and journals your trades for you. Oh, interesting. Okay. Seriously, I need whatever Mud Crab has. I feel like he has some, I don't know, do you have like some special juice in the morning that just helps you read the charts that much better? If only there was a person in chat who could tell you which trades. Listen here, no one likes a smart ass. Just saying. Just saying. It's liquidity. Yeah, I'm playing my role as liquidity. I'm basically back to where I was. On Monday. That's okay. Back to where I was on Monday. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. That's not bad. Still then in the green for the day. Looks like a bullish flag pattern. Interesting. No, I release some specials. Chart wiggles better. Good grief. I called reversal. You did. That's okay. That's fine. It's better than sugar honey iced tea, which I did accidentally. It's OTT's fault. He bamboozled me. Won't be tomorrow though. That's no. But I'm proud you got so much more comfortable taking your sit. Thank you, OTT. I am trying. I am trying. If this freaking does this again where I had the correct idea, just... No. 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 Now it will sell after the stop button. Listen, Tony, I get it. That's hilarious. Probably. Watch it go now. Watch it go. You and I both, Maya, let's rock this boat. Heck yeah, Ninja! I love it, I love it. Me and you, Ninja, we got this.
Nice.
Heck yeah. Hey, it was a misclick, right? Yeah, it was. I was hovering above it because I was... Whoopsie daisies, what did I do? Okay. I was hovering above the cell because I wanted to potentially Sorry, I can see it's probably gonna drop now. Look at these wicks. Okay, wait, that being said, let me check out the 5-minute wicks. I'm curious about the 5-minute wicks. Okay. Oh no. There we go. Okay, a lot of noise. Let me just turn off the noise for a second. Okay, so... Oh no. Oh no. Interesting though. Okay, so 5-minute wicks you can probably tell a little bit more. Click on there, sideways action there, yep. Decent, decent. That's a very big wick forming on the 5-minute right now. Still got a minute left. Okay. Okay. Learning something new every day, I love it. Now check 15. What is that? What is that? I don't know. I really... Oh, okay. Hey, Lucky, what's up? Hey, Carls. Hi. You want me to send the mythology to the general chat on Discord? Or do you want to directly... No, go for general chat. Go for it. Why not? From being scared to take an A+ to being scared to use the right cons doing... How is that? And now you've got over that. Great work. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. I know. Now it's just to keep getting the wins and stop making silly biscuit mistakes. Silly goose mistakes over here. That is a show of lackluster sell. This well, I guess both dojis. I mean, this is a big, yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah, this was silly goose stuff, but it's okay. We're all allowed to be silly geese now and then. Let's see how this starts to react. Sorry, hiccups. Moving on. Hello. There we go. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, that's not bad, that's not bad. Watch it now be perfect. I just, again, ended up right idea. Valid. Right idea, wrong time. Watch it go now. It needed to retest further. Let's see if this goes all the way to TP. If it does... Seriously? 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 Okay then. Should fail to buy a pink Bugatti. Bonds will technically be better in this market unless you get an A+ short, but this market really appreciates a long and a deep one. It will go to TP, of course it will. True, but shorts still feel scary. They really do. Do you really think this is going all the way down again? So I'm just curious about this. Huh. Look at that. That would have literally wicked into you, mother fluffer. Mother fluffer. It's okay. After moving my stop loss by my entries, I really thought I would keep pushing upwards, but it didn't hit my stop loss. Oh no, lucky. It's okay. It feels like it's been a bit of a... I hate saying this. Mudcrab, you called it. It's been a bit of a difficult week. Like, that's just how it feels. It feels like it has just been a tricky week. Some people are coining it and other people are really struggling, and that's okay. That's okay. I should use the 1 and 5 to determine a bias or just 4 entry pinpoints. It's almost like you have a crystal ball for trading, but you don't like to use it. I nearly made a bad comment. I'll be quiet. I've taken 1 trade this whole week. I didn't take a... Oh, you didn't take a loss on it? I've taken 0. No, Mudcrab, you took... Oh, I guess it was your... Oh, Monday. Wasn't that the Asia high? Watermelon Asia high? Watermelon Asia high was on Monday? Let's see. It's 10. Wait, it was 10 a.m. Okay, hear me out. Is there method to that 10 a.m. reversal? I know some people believe in the 10 a.m. reversal. Is that kind of, I don't want to say proven, but is that really a thing? I used to think maybe it was. No, I don't know. Maybe it's just a 10 a.m. retest, rather. Maybe that's the better way of saying it. Why? Why are you like this? Why do you hate me? See, if I had slipped here, this would have been better. Anyways. I mean, after news chart was fine, before news bad. Yes, let's look at it. ICT even created it. 0 to 1,000 was progressing over my stop loss entry above entries. Only because of social norms. It's not an everyday thing. No. Well, just look back at the last 5 days, click in 10 a.m. and then you see if it's true. I mean, that's valid. Valid. What time does London close in USA time? I don't actually know. What time does London close in USA time? This is why I always give my trades a second chance. Always. Like always, Tony? Oh, we're gonna have fights going on in here today. Kwon? That's fighting words. Careful, you're gonna be attacked. Yeah. Not so much 910 AM has potential for reversal, but you'll need to focus on the macro 950 and see if it wick sweeps a point of interest. Oh, interesting. Okay, that makes sense. The city, what's up? How you doing? Then close at 1 o'clock. This time, I think. Let's... Bob, are you watching this? I'll take a screenshot. This feels like it's been my whole week, apart from this morning, of correct idea, wrong entry point. So I need to go back and have a look at it, especially for news days. Like I said, correct idea, just the wrong time, actually. Okay. I need to go and do a little bit of back testing with regards to this. Okay, cool. But it's okay. We're still in the green. But we're still in the green. Mudcrab versus David. Tune in. I love it. Violin close at 1. Oh, cheers, Mudcrab. Mad love. Try get some sleep, or else you're gonna have a very fun time at work tomorrow. This wasn't really a matter of time. Okay, explain, please. London is roughly 6 hours ahead of Chicago time. They need to scout for possible reversals. Guys, pre-macro and see if they hit during the macro. I believe... Oh, that's the PR3. That makes sense. Quarter 4:30 PM close the Chicago time zone. Just need to wait for bearish engulfing candle. Like this. Potentially. Like I said, this is very frustrating. But it's okay. Okay, so OTT, you don't so much believe it's a time thing. Just need to wait for bigger retests to different points of interest. Basically, some liquidity grabs. I'm almost hopping in too quickly before it goes to grab some more liquidity. But this even didn't really grab them. Well, that being said, I was set liquidity there. Watch belongs, don't trade unless it's extremely well set up for sure. Yes, sir. Most day traders close out their contracts because they don't want to pay carry costs. I'm gonna just go back to after work if I get 2.5 hours. Even more time. I mean, that's valid. Cheers, my crab. I know the theory, but haven't had too much luck with it. Yeah, Ninja. Whoa. All right then. What the heck just happened here? What's happening? What's happening? Today's bearish because of AMD dropping for all these because NQ dropped. They hold the weight of fundamentality. That's because your shelves are slightly off. Explain. How are my shelves slightly off? Explain. Explain. No, okay. Go sleep. Go sleep. You can explain tomorrow. You can explain the shelves tomorrow. Go sleep. I get you. I used to hunt for reversals until I learned that it was my downfall, so I don't anticipate them anymore. But we'll jump in after it happens. Ooh! What if you then miss a really good continuation? Does that make sense, Ninja? That was my entry. I'm gonna go play with the toaster now. Don't you dare leave the toaster alone. Good thing you... I didn't place a trade again. I mean, I wouldn't have been taken out. I would still be in this. No, would I? No, I would have been taken out at half loss. Interesting. Okay, I guess this is kind of what Rip was talking about this morning. What the hey diddly day was that? What the heck, man? Seriously? Oh my gosh. That's the problem I have with this game. Answer to your 10 a.m. 3. You did, Gappa, thank you, by the way. I am reading it. I apologize if I don't respond all the time. I'm so sorry.
That's what she said.
Nice. Sorry, I'm just contemplating my life. Okay, let me just sit back for a minute. Let's watch what happens here. This is a very big freaking supply zone. There was an order block on the higher time frames, wasn't there? Yes. No. Maybe? Yes, I think there was. So clearly it's bouncing pretty solidly off of that order block. The higher time frame is short and above level if you consider the higher time frame point of, but look at the higher time frame we stuck. It will probably retest and bounce back. Mudcrab, I'm just assuming you can't sleep right now. Is that what's happening? You just can't sleep. Hi LFG. We took out London though. We had 4-hour daily, which got swept so long, but obvious, but still need to wait for POI and the 1 minute to agree. Okay, wait. Sorry, I've copied this. And my notebook. Okay. Keep an eye out for it and everything. I mean, this just looks yucky. Ow. Okay. Done. To be fair, I shouldn't be complaining. I'm up 230 today, but it's still annoying. Microwave? Shush. Just shush. I mean, I think I'm still up like $100, but still shush. It's not as good as 200. Not as good as 200. So your trades aren't bad. You just can't filter out if an A+ trade could fail. I don't know if that makes sense. It does. It does. I hear you. But okay, hear me out, OTT. Wouldn't that kind of go hand in hand with potentially overthinking A+ setups? Do you hear? Like, it feels a little bit like a double-edged sword, because I could have an A+ setup and then I could maybe zoom out and be like, ah, but this and this and this and this could have. Do you understand what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Kind of. Like, I hear exactly what you're saying, but I know me, and I know I'll then potentially start overthinking everything. Oh no, Minecraft. Basically starfish across the whole planet. I'm so sorry. Can't you go sleep on the couch, maybe? Would the couch not be more comfortable? Next week will cool down because Mac 7 reports will be down. Ah, I hope so, Mac. Also, hey Mac, what's up? Because Mac releases earnings. That makes sense, Mac. Mac, how you feeling? Looking too much to candles apart from the bigger patterns. We are the change. Agree and also disagree. I have been zooming out quite a bit more recently. Went to 10k last 2 weeks after 2 years of blowing my account. Damn. Just the market, hun. Right now, even A+ isn't great right now because of the week's market. OTT is right, but microwave, a French heating instrument. Ninja, no, it's microwave. Microwave. Please say you've seen that. By filter, I mean, does it have a draw on liquidity? The reason shorts are scary because there's no draw below. That makes sense. It's like trying to long, right? when price sweeps Asia high for... Okay, I hear you, I hear you, I hear you. That, okay, I got it, I got it. I was even dumb, but... No, have you not seen it? I don't even know if it became a meme. There was like a really funny... Was it a Vine? Maybe it was a tick, I don't know. There was a really funny thing where this woman pronounced microwave as microwave. So now I call microwaves microwaves because it's hilarious. Oh, there we go. Thanks, microwave. Yep, spot on. There we go. Read the comment I made on last week and this week. It'll answer the question you had about why this week's...
Why are you even thinking this way?
Okay, wait, did you see Mac? Okay. So today's bearish because of AMD, minus 14 drop. Uber contributed by stopping, minus 2. All these cause NQ to drop. They hold a lot of weight fundamentally. Okay. Last week and this week have been touched because the Magnificent 7 have been... Oh, release it. This is a dumb question, but what's the Magnificent 7? Seven. What? English. Anyways, what's the Magnificent 7? Mag 7 holds 40% of the NQ, meaning they contribute a huge chunk to NQ price action. That makes sense. So next week will cool down because Mag 7 reports will be done. Okay, so next week should be back to quote unquote normal. So that's why this week is just all over the place. Right now it'll probably even out that low. Okay, let's see. Let's see, try something differently. Fine tuning is a key at least. Keep the 1 to 3 hour. Last low was your risk management zone. Your stop was within last sell off and a failed. Alright, anyways. Which is confirmation. Microwave. Thank you. Isn't that a film? What's a film? Once I hope it's in the short network. Top 7 US stocks. Oh, thank you. The big 7 that hold up the S&P. So it should be Tuesday. Now, make this ain't normal. Need to track Mag 7. Thank you. Things are shifting in USA. That shows how much I know. I thought Magnificent 7 was... I think there is a movie called Magnificent 7, to be fair. Monday is a continuation from the previous week. So it should always be there, and the more the better. But also, these just filters. Even the best setup you can see can fail. No, 100%. It's never 100%. Volatility is elevated. So Tuesday, yeah, barring more news. I'm out of 95% of all holdings except physical precious. Interesting. So the Mag 7 is Google, Meta, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, and Nvidia. What? I did not know that. That's okay. Sorry, I'm copy pasting this. See, again, guys, you learn something new every single day. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's a problem. That's the problem. I'm low-key tempted to do another 24-hour. No, maybe not. Let's maybe change it from 24 hours live stream to 12-hour. Maybe that sounds less, you know, get migraine situation. But sure, the more you learn, it's quite insane. Oh, okay, it's just gonna be ranging now. Don't we have CPI next week, so we might still see a slow market? Isn't it kind of also influenced on if the government does shut? I've heard different theories about the government is shut down or it doesn't shut down. I'm still a little bit lost with that. Read the big reset from Bitcoin wash down 74k. Every day is going lower. We'll break 70 this week. We were having this discussion earlier, Hog. We were, I was having a proper giggle about it. Please do not do 24-hour. They're 24-hour live stream, but only do 12 hours. Yeah. Wait, you have done a 24-hour stream? I have, Lucky. I have done a 24-hour stream before. I mean, was fun, but it was rough. Don't get me wrong. I won't say it was easy at all, but I have indeed done a 24-hour live stream before. Do I think I have around a 50% win rate? I actually have closer to a 60%, actually slightly above 60% win rate, but yeah, 60%. Yep, 12-hour stream twice a day, ninja. Listen, yeah. I'm still a millionaire, you force me. What you should do is a 24-hour live, but just vlog instead of just at your desk. So spend time trading, then we can see your horses overheating. Don't know how I would be able to do that though. I don't know. I'm not sure if I would actually be able to do that because this camera doesn't move. What, do I just start and go back to sleep and you guys just watch me sleeping and then I wake up and continue my day like normal and you guys just sit there going, oh my gosh, what is this woman doing? I agree, don't do 24 hours, that's too long for trading. 12 hours is long enough. Trading takes too much concentration. I mean, that's valid. That is valid. Nutcrab, I'm gonna say this nicely. Go to sleep. Good grief. When am I coming to Italy? Ooh. To be fair, I've been to Italy before. I have indeed been to Italy before. Very long ago. Very long ago. Very long ago. 2017. Nearly 10 years ago, I went to Italy. That's what matters. I mean, other than the USD news, of course. Does the Mag 7 have like a specific name for the news, or was it called like the Mag 7 news? Or just, are you talking specifically if any one of the Mag 7 have news coming out? Sorry, just making sure I understand that correctly. Yeah, but that's creepy. What's creepy? So what you're saying is you need a new camera. Well, I mean, this one plugs into the PC, so it's not like it's a portable one that I can just take with me everywhere, because that would be like a battery and right? That would be a lot. I don't want to see that. Awesome. Why were you there, Italy? Oh, so there's like a ritual. Oh my gosh, yeah, next year will then be 10 years. Ooh, it's like a ritual. So for my gran, every like big milestone for my gran's birthday, so it was her 60th then in 2017. Yes. So for her 60th, it's like an all girls go on a big trip. And it was the first time me and my sister were able to join, because before then, obviously, we were too young. So when I say all girls, it's like, it would then be me, my sister, my mom, my two aunts, and my gran. So like a girls trip. And the destination that my gran wanted to go to was Italy. And it was beautiful. Listen, I loved it. Italy was stunning. Like I said, damn, I would love to travel more. I would love to travel more. Again, it's just a little bit on the pricey side of life. So, what called the Ministry of Ungentlemanly Warfare? Ungentlemanly Warfare. It's so good. I'm gonna have to get a tablet if you want to go portable. I mean, I have my phone. That, I don't know if that would work. So, yeah. Sorry, this is just to Mudcrab's comment, because that was brutal. The Bitcoin community is down bad. Don't hold on to that ceiling hog. That is amazing. Yes, when anyone with Mag 7 have an earnings report, okay, happening, then usually happen around the same week, most often quarterly. Sorry, copy pasting. I'm into Straya next.
Heck yeah.
Am I invited to the next one? Girls trip, microwave? Heck yeah, let's do this. Next year, that can't be right. Was it 2017? It was 2017. It must have been 2017. When I had like my gap year. Was it 2017? It must have. Sorry, now my brain's. You know what? There's a simple way of doing this. Let me check. Let's get confirmation on this. Let's get some confirmation going. You can look at news for each of those individual stocks. High impact news. Where do you guys look at the news? Thanks for sharing. I'd love to visit Italy someday. Have you been anywhere else? So I've been to Portugal and Amsterdam. So that was like a trip. And well, I've been to France, but it was more like there was a layover between coming back from Portugal to South Africa. So I didn't really stay in France, but I did see the Eiffel Tower. That was pretty cool. That was, but then I was still pretty young. So let's see. Sorry, I gotta scroll back quite far to find this. Was indeed a while ago. Oh, back when I had short hair. Guys, I actually had short hair at a stage. Cringe. Here we go. Italy. 2017, yeah. July 2017. Okay, it was 2017. Forex Factory, please don't tell me you have that. On TV, there's a news tab. There is. Chats. Where? Sorry, now I'm going through all the screeners. Pine calendars. Is it on calendars? Community notifications. Where would it be? On calendars, maybe. Oh, learning new things. Okay. What? What is wrong with me? Why did I not know this? Okay, anyways. Don't forget. Oh, thanks, Minecraft. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this community. I'm having such a wild day of learning things today. The trading, I mean, I had a win this morning, a loss now. Let's not say a little loss. But anyways, win this morning, a loss now. I've learned about the Mag 7. Now I'm learning about where I can actually see proper news happening here. Darkness International. Bitcoin just broke 74k down to 73k. Who's all shaking, same, but... Yo, no trading for me today. It feels low probability day and prop this issue this morning. Only thing I saw was take yesterday's low. It was like 380 short 2229. Hey Chris, yeah, so okay, wait, let me quickly. I had a loss here. Oh well. But I did have a win this morning on London, so I am in the green for today. But I am in the green for today, so that's cool. That's cool. I mean, I'm not chuffed about this loss, but I stuck with my plan. It was an A+ setup. It happens. It's fine. On to the next, right? On to the next. It's probably like this the rest. Always check Forex Factory. Okay, so you check Forex Factory. What is the one that I sometimes check, but I'm not... Okay. Okay, so you were 18 and Europe was the drinking age in South Africa. Was I 18? I was not 18 yet. I would have only turned 18. No, I must have been 18. Yes, I was 18. I'm lying. I'm lying. The drinking age in South Africa is 18. Or just ask ChatGPT if she could... I mean, that's valid. That's valid. Just ChatGPT, not the girls. That's what I didn't mean. Wait, what? OTT? Wait, what did she say to you? What? I use Forex Factory and only show red folders for USD for the week. Just to make you feel old, I was 11 in 2017. Ugh. Did I tell you guys I found a grey hair the other day? Probably posted in Discord. I literally took a photo because I was in disbelief. I found a grey hair. I didn't even mean to. I think I ran my hand through like my hair and like I somehow managed to pull this hair out and I was like, ow, and I looked at it and I was like, that's silver. That's full on grey. That is grey. Green is mean. Go up his 20. The SA legal drinking age is 18, but some start very young. We won't speak about it. Moving on. Obviously. No journaling while you're learning. Gapper? No, of course I am. Yeah, I definitely journal. What do you think? I keep like copy pasting things. I have a full-on notebook full of things that I've copy pasted from chat. There's also, I journal in the Discord as well. So there's a lot that goes on. And obviously I don't want to be rude and sit there tippy-tappy typing, so I wait until after the stream and do a bunch of it. I was 27 in 2017. To make you feel young. Thank you! In Discord and pick of what my news view looks like. Thank you, which I appreciate it. 90s best building is silver hair is a signal to switch to silver futures. Chris Witcher? Oh my gosh, what now that I'm big and strong and apparently old? Okay. I could maybe suit silver hair. Maybe I should just start dyeing it silver. Screw it. Get ahead of the curve. We collide between Ikuwave? That's hilarious. Grey hair at 27. Oh, grey hair at the age of 10. I don't know how. What is some babies? Boom. It's so beautiful, OTG. When you're right, you're right. They get old so far. Wow. It's the trading kiddo. Here your age, you can call yourself the auntie. Makes me feel like a gramps. Trader's stress. Trader's stress. These damn fur babies keep wanting, I don't know, they are very stressful, you mother fluffer. Sorry, that was very aggressive. Maybe, like I said, correct idea, yucky market. I'm also gonna put this in Discord. Okay. Why don't I trade the ES? Just because it doesn't have the micros. That's basically it. Sorry, no, very cool. Micro, why are you still awake? Go to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting bossy now. I'm gonna start sounding like I don't want to say mommy Maya because that sounds weird. Go to sleep. 2-4. Can only see a target like 42. No, worth it to me today. Like, I'm glad I was born here. You could be eaten by everything. Apparently it's Jurassic Park. That is hilarious. And not wrong. I feel like everything in Australia wants to kill you. Just from what I've seen. Sorry, that's very stereotypical, but tell me I'm wrong. No, never mind. So I was trying to see if this was maybe an M. Nope, don't see it. It has micros, not... Does it have micros? No, it has minis. ES has minis, not micros. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, when was the last? I was wrong. But isn't that minis, not micros? Wait, what? I love it. You're wrong. Oh, good grief. Definitely the land down under is just a death trap. I'm starting to believe they made a mistake putting the Amazon in Brazil. Oh, never mind then, my bad. Why did I think there wasn't micros on ES? I thought... What? So is it... You guys just blew my brain cells a little bit. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sleep so well tonight, purely just because of all the damn information. Ooh, it's created an SMT. Sorry, squirrel. And why don't I trade MES? That's a very good question. I think I'm just used to Nasdaq, but ES and Nasdaq are quite similar. If anything, ES respects levels a little bit more. What am I doing with my life? I told you, you guys are gonna make me question my whole entire life right now. Whole entire life. I'm going to take this for real. The micros are different values and NQs per move, I think. Oh, so are the micro NQs still less than the micro ES? Me too, gonna sleep so well tonight, yeah. That's cool. We have 7 of the 10 deadliest snakes in the world, and they prefer to slither away. Hey Lurk, what's up? No, I don't know. Don't even come here saying super hot. It's not super hot. This is clearly what hell on earth feels like. Just especially with the humidity. Like, I know it got hot in Joburg and Pretoria and stuff, but the humidity is just unreal. And at least Pretoria's been having some rain. By the way, OTT, have you been having like flash floods and stuff? I saw footage of OR Tambo just like completely underwater and I was like, what is happening? Multiple MNQ2 per index, MES5 per index, 0.6 size, 40 pick value MNQ 50. Okay, so it is a tiny bit more. So that, okay, there we go. Hey, Shan, what's up? Bring on June, July, 100% low, please, bring on winter. I'll probably be complaining about... Guys, I've taken so many notes today. Oh my gosh, I've taken so many notes today. Ooh, I'm overwhelmed, okay. Not in a bad way, just damn, there's a lot. I know it's a lot, but so is it with learning anything. No, 100%. Me personally, MES is better than MNQ. Why do you say that, Mikuare? I had some rain yesterday, nothing crazy. It was like 30 minutes. I'm burning, I want snow. Did I lose it? I did. Again, this whole week, well, okay, apart from the winning trade earlier, but this whole week has just felt like correct idea, wrong moment. Or correct idea, just yucky price action because of Mag 7. Right? See? Learning. I'll stop then, tomorrow's another day. Ninja, 100%. And when you're wrong, you take 3 lefts and you're still right sometimes. It makes sense. OTT, you're in the KZ. No, OTT's not in KZN. How's the eval's going, Maya? Almost past the phase. I've been busy away these days. Yeah. I got close. I got 1 trade away. And then I had a little bit of a losing streak. Okay, let's just rather put it this way. This week has just not been my week because this price action sucks this week. Not even the price. The news and how it's influencing the charts. I'm trying to not be such a negative Nancy. The news and how it's been affecting the charts have just not been ideal this week. That sounded more politically correct there. Do you know how many? Actually, all the trades I've taken have kind of been this type of vibe. So this was a loss, but it's correct idea, wrong moment type vibe, which is just frustrating as all heck, but it is what it is. Oh, Roshan, thank you. No, don't worry. It's okay. I have 120 of the bed sleep, but she has all 5 pillows, so sometimes a pillow is nice. Miko Bravo, really? Okay, I'll try. Don't marry with one asset. Nicely phrased. The worst. But big ups with you managing that prop account going on a... Well, yeah, so I mean, to be fair, I haven't been with this prop account for a year. When did I switch to this prop account? I've probably had this one for 4 or 5 months. Without blowing it. Like, that was a record for me. I think I used to blow a prop account like once a month, which was insane. Correct idea, wrong execution. There we go, that's a good one. Shopping levels break like a dream, but it's always buys. And that's what I've heard. Otherwise, I wouldn't have learned about this. If you use it. Now is the time to buy my, just saying. You might squeeze a little juice out of the bounce. Now? Why now? I mean, this was the level I was kind of interested in, but seriously, now? See, that's insane. You saying buys, because here's where I would actually be kind of low-key keen on a short. It's bad that I like this for a short. I'm not gonna do it because I feel like it's a bad idea now, and now Mudcrab's making me question my whole entire life, but... Hey, Jordy, what's up? You're just not where the money is at the moment. It should bounce off that shelf nicely. Okay, so buy up to the shelf and then back down. Ooh, double wicks here. No, I'm not saying I'm not trusting you. It's why I didn't take it. Hey, Boom, what's up? How you doing? I'm not upset, I'm just disappointed. Now I feel bad. Oh, snap, y'all. It's also NFP week, yes. Holy F you candle. Which shelf were you talking about, by the way? David, take what's up? How you doing? Minecraft, I trust you. I trust you. I'm sorry. Damn, I'm gonna get, like, yelled at. Seriously, how did you call this? Hey, David, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I'm out. Whoop whoop. Jordy, what did you... What did you take? You know what, screw it. Next time Mudcrab says something, I'm just gonna freaking mark it in. Buy or sell whatever he says. Oh my gosh. What can I say? When I'm right, I'm right, and when I'm wrong, I take 3 less, and I'm still right. Listen, yeah. Smarty pants. Said earlier, this Mudcrab dude his voice right. Why wouldn't you be executing off him like a robot? Like a robot? Oh, I was gonna say part of me low-key wants to get like a prop just to say, okay, Mudcrab, you tell me exactly and I'll do it at that point. Just out of curiosity to see how it goes. But that, anyways. I took the long, our levels are the same. So off this level you went up? True, 13 years experience, 13 years experience. That is valid. That is very much valid. What's to say 10 years experience? When you see the mythology PDF Maya, you will understand me more. Okay, Mikuwave, I'm on it. He is! Boomin has been awfully quiet. I feel like he's been watching in the background, judging hardcore. Actually, but it's fine. I'm used to Boom judging me. So SMT created here. Like I said, I'm trying to see if I can understand this. Caprex knows what's up. Clearly he does. There we go. Bottom. What's happening up there? I want to quickly check 5-minute chart. Jordy, you've just been like on point recently. That. Little doji. Sorry, I'm being quiet again. Sorry. I've been doing exactly what Maya said. What did I say? It'll probably just idle now. David, what strategy? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. She said she don't believe me. Do I look and sound like a playboy? Wow, rough. How many trades do I take in a day? Rashad, it really depends on the price action for the day. Recently it's been like 2 a day though, to be fair. Again, price action dependent. Get a new phone then, boom, why not? No. You kind of look like wow. I didn't, boom. I haven't been having the best week. Watch this now go down to TP. And I said I liked it, and I didn't take it, and I'm gonna be very upset with myself. Okay, wait, to be fair, I had it there. Okay, but still. If this does go down to hit TP, Rara. Cool. No, I didn't blow it. I didn't blow it. I haven't blown the account. Don't worry, boom. I haven't blown it. Just I had some bad trades, so I'm not as close to passing it as I was. Yeah, that's about it. But I haven't blown it. Okay, I'm off for today. I've had information overload from the research and sharing it. Hope you have a nice day. Yeah, Mac, I hear you. Mad love, Mac. Thank you for joining. Hopefully see you tomorrow. I'm watching this. Okay, let's say I'm gonna get it just by half there. Let's see. Okay, sorry. I will go for a short in this market. Hey, Reggie can trade, what's up? Stock. Why are we doing stock hands? I'm all for it, but why? I have been going short, Rashan, just saying, but it's fine. It's fine. Like I said, correct ideas, correct bias, which is good for me. It's good for me. That's a step in the right direction. I used to be way off with my bias. I used to be terrible. Yes, David, I'm still in an eval. Oh, I'm about to start swearing in Afrikaans. Bad, bad, bad. Seriously? Seriously. Seriously. Young master. Ah, almost took a long here and it would have hit stop loss. That's everyone. Even I was like that before. Hey, lucky. Yeah, no. Oh. Seriously? Why did this one then have to work out perfectly? Well, I say perfect. No, okay, fairly perfectly. I mean, this I probably would have given up everything. When I say given up, just like given up. Lower inbound. Your mouse, my lucky. The mouse, a very nice person. She's a very nice person. So here would have been break even. Either way, this would have been a green trade. Nope, nope, nope. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Don't do woulda, shoulda, coulda. Ah, woulda, shoulda, coulda is a bad idea. Okay, I'm gonna wait and see if this would have been full TP, because this wouldn't have taken me out at full TP. Let's see if this would have been break even, slight win in the green, or full TP. It's gonna be full TP. No, Mud, what do you mean, Mudcrab? I listened, you said it was going long, so I specifically went, okay, Mudcrab said long. So let's not touch it. Leave it alone. Because I liked the short. Here, for this. I like the short for here. Oh, thanks, David Take. Appreciated. Hey, Celestial, what's up? Unique broker show, you're not just a pretty face. Celestial, how you doing? How's it going? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit salty now, but it is what it is. Thanks for the liquidity. I got you. I got you. Any day. Well, apparently every day at this point, but yeah, it's fine. Just kidding, that's just me being negative. Love you for that. Damn, you're being saucy today. So saucy. Okay. Like I said, I'm waiting to see if this does this so I can take a screenshot and post it as well. Need to acknowledge things. Things being my brain malfunctioning. Because that happens quite often. Hey, bounty on my head. I'm just waiting to see if this would have been a full TP or not. Sorry, you're welcome. You've popped in when I'm being a bit of a grumpy goose. And literal information overload today. Not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. Like, I'm here to learn. And the more you know, the better. But information overload. You're in a mental trade. I'm in a mental fight with myself all the time. No, I'm joking. Kinda joking. No. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Sound hectic, but do your thing. Bounty on it, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. Savage. But before that one, that's would have been a great setup and it failed. You look like you've been overloaded. I actually have a little bit of a headache. And again, I'm not saying guys calm down with all the information. It's good. I appreciate all the information. It's been a lot today. And again, not saying it's a bad thing. Why are we yelling? I wasn't expecting that. Nah, I'm gonna sit her down. PC, make her trade an evo. What's the hook? Not trade, just say, Jodie, that's valid. She's just gonna need a new journal. That's all. Luckily, the journal's digital, so it's maybe I do. Maybe I need like I will start a new journal once I've passed this eval. How about that? Just like fresh page. Fresh. So this would have been, okay, I'm gonna screenshot this, put it in Discord at a certain point. Would have been partial out at break even. No one else has used this, but it's fine. I will use it. Okay. Okay, on that note of being just overwhelmed. Long day at school, short day at the market, ninja. I love it. Take a trade, I'm watching. Damn, boom. No pressure. What does digital currency mean in a physical world? Isn't everything like digital now, theoretically? Like bank cards and. It feels like everything is digital. There's not a lot of physical left. I'm gonna do that to myself with that.
That's what she said.
Yep, I'm gonna do that for myself. Anyways. Freaking level to level again. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Wheel of change. I'm all ears. What are you trying to say? Also, Mudcrab, are you good? I can't believe you're gonna stay awake. Apple Pay is digital, customer service is digital, my love life also digital. Anyways. It's my love girl. Catch you in the morrows. Cheers, ninja. Mad love. I'll see you then definitely tomorrow. Mudcrab, what does that tell you, Maya? What, that everything's digital? That's true, that's true. What is this clear for those who can read between the lines? Hey! Rupert, sorry, I'm actually about to hop off. I've been trading since New York Alive. Ana, what's Ada? Everything you can think of. Just put in the smart idiot's brain. Don't underestimate the state of something just because it's principle for now. Damn, Geordie, that was profound as heck. Bounty on my head, do that again, please. Which one? But what do I know? Maya not recovering from that, no. Not at all. You Muppets! Oh, I need the emotional damage! I do, I think I need it. Oh, I need to add that. Wait, let me add it to the meme list. I need to get the emotional damage one. That's too funny. I'll add it here on the unhinged pickup lines. That is hilarious. I need that. You Muppet. Market losses are digital but hurt in real life. Ask Maya, she knows best. You're right, I need this emotional damage thing now. That is rough. You shan't scream. Oh, so you can do the memes if you are a member. So if you get the membership, you guys can do the memes. Okay, let's go with that one. Okay, I'll see if I can find it. I can't always find these things, but I'll see.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Member, yeah. My study what happened at 7. Okay. We've got 3 sides. Awareness of people, Western forced digital transmission. Why are you yelling? I can't believe you called me a Muppet. Can't believe you called me a Muppet. Rough. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could this be an MMXM model for me? Again, I'm really not good at the MMXM model, so that's why I'm genuinely asking. Geordie and OTT, you guys would probably know best. Could this be? Especially because we did technically have an SMT over there. Over there. SMT was formed Am I getting better at spotting these, or am I talking absolute garbage right now? I was used to look. I hear that. Feeling mean philosophical today. Yeah, it's called Okay, Let's Go meme. Okay, I'm on it. I'll try find it. Hey, you got there. Mad cram? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You got her feelings. Guys, research what happened last Friday. It was another coordinated paper attack. 2 times the refinery years of life. Paper trading is a joke in a world where physical assets matter most. Time for the cold plunge bath. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, Lucky. You will own nothing and be happy. Huh. Overly philosophical, yeah, a little bit. Little bit. But again, Jordy, guys. Jordy. Am I wrong or potentially correct? Oh, cheers, Celestial. I mean, to be, yeah. So I'm deadass just set on seeing if I was potentially correct on this. Maybe not. Which would mean potential longs are in play. Let's see. See, still learning, still learning. Always learning. Every day, even when overwhelmed with life. No, just kidding, not life. Okay, let's see how this goes. Mad Crab and David, I can't believe you guys are still awake. Seriously, I can't believe you guys are still awake. Also, I did not see Solly today, which upsets me because I wanted to ask him about the Asia session. Let me find this. Oh. Oh, is it this one? Is this that Elliott Wave one that I was being told about? Let's see. I wonder if it's this. So this would be 1. No, that's counted at 0. Whoopsie. Delete, delete. Chaos, chaos, chaos. Make it stop, make it stop. Delete. How do I make it stop? Oh, okay, it has to click 5 times. We're gonna just all pretend like we did not see that, okay? We are gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Okay? Cool. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5 starting around here. No one judge me. No, you're on the money, Maya. It's just not a great market, so longs are better equipped in this type of volatile market. Interesting. Take the 5. If I stop trading gold, start giving big moves. When I sit to make a trade, wait for hours, it doesn't show. It looks like gold hates me. Oh, Roshan, I hear that. What other 5? Oh, you talking about this 5? I'm looking at this in, like, particular. I was looking at this in particular. You're talking about the other 5, what, like, up here? And then 1, 2... No, I don't see it. See, I only see, like, the smaller scale ones. Maybe that's the problem. I'm not seeing the larger scale. Wait, you said on the 5-minute, right? Let me close this. No, I don't see it. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 3? No? Yes? Maybe. I see your logic, but where's the divergence, the SMT? There was a little bit of an SMT. No, I guess maybe not. There was the SMT. There was a bit of an SMT here early. No, never mind. Okay, I see, I see. So, logic flawed mainly just because of the SMT situation. If this works now. If this works. Don't let me cake. No, not cake. I don't need cake. If you ever want to ask anything, don't stress, yeah. Yes. I'm a little bit embarrassed about what just happened there, but it's okay. It's okay. We all learn. We keep learning. It's only gonna cost you $0. That's true. That's true. And learning is all part of the process. Okay, wait. Mudcrab, I now need you to explain for 10 marks because I can't see. I nearly swore again. I can't see what you were seeing with the 5. What 5? What 5? Where 5? Arrange out first, which kind of happens, but a higher time frame SMT would have to form and hold to confirm the entire shift into MMXM. Okay, and then correct me if I'm wrong, but MMBM is a cell model, correct? I am on the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute. Here, 5 minute. Or did you mean like zoom in on the 5 minute and no, I don't see it. I don't see it. Like I said, I'm not actually good at seeing these. It's why I'm trying to figure them out. Make a wobble with it. Oh, got it. Yes. You know what? Clearly my brain's just fried for the day. My brain's done. I don't understand how Mudcrab is still awake, number one, and how he is... Yeah, he has the capacity to still be so mean to me. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. But then what does the X stand for? Shush. Sorry for the fly. I think by all-time highs in the Dow Jones Index, that should be a good chance for price rebound. Interesting, okay. Sorry. Okay, but then what the... Oh my goodness. Oh! Got it! Thank you! I mean, I always give you amazing trades, but you don't like to listen. I'm starting to listen more. Okay, I'm starting to listen more. Just saying. It's like a variable. You know, like old breaks and you put some in the case. There's that little midnight sass coming through because we are lacking in sleep. Just saying. Mudcrab, damn. Just saying. Good grief. Good grief. I never said I know best. Midnight sass coming through. Goodness gracious, but thank you, Geordie. That now makes more sense. I've had a big night. Yes, you have. Just haven't I flipped you alive from this morning? I was just talking to myself. What? Microwave? That's weird. Big night. I have questions. Okay. Anyways, like I said, you know what? I might... Okay. Brain fried. Done. I'm not going to take any more trades for the day. Clearly, I'm overloaded a little bit. Brain cells are... I actually literally have a headache. It was a lot of information. Really good stuff. Really good information, but a lot. So I'm gonna call it there. You guys are amazing. Mudcrab, seeming as you are awake and bored, download Discord. What's this? The 1000th time? Okay, I'm going. I love you guys madly. I can't speak. It's... I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow for the London and New York stream. Yeah, I'm calling it. You guys are amazing. I love you madly. See you tomorrow.